Hello.
Hello.
Sup?
Sup?
Okay, let's cut to the chase. We're gonna have a burping contest with...
Cherry limeade.
Yes. It's nasty, but we got nothing else. And we're bored. So yeah. Anyways, wanna go first?
By the way, our parents don't know we're doing this because I'm not allowed to drink soda because it makes me hyper. So, it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, did we mention the good part? $2. $1 from her, $1 from me. The winner
It's a pretty lame bet, but that's all we got.
And we're gonna make a second video of the winner gloating in the loser's face. We're sisters, so this won't ruin it. I'll go first. This stuff tastes horrible.
Wait for it. That's all you got.
Your turn.
Are you done? Okay.
Your turn.
Cheerio!
Your turn.
This thing was full.
No, no more. Your turn.
I have a stomach ache.
Come on, you gotta do it. There's $2 in it.
If I throw up, it's on you. That one was lame.
Hold on, one more time.
No! Okay, yeah, do it. I think I'm gonna throw up.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Nope. Come on, try one more time. If you puke, it'll be on YouTube. That one was just sad.
No, I know that. It's like coming out. We're all here air burping. That was foam.
Come on. Woo! Okay. We drank it all. This was a 76 full ounce bottle, and we drank all of it.
2 liters, and I think I'm gonna throw up.
1 liter each. Okay. You guys are gonna tell us who won. because we're gonna fight over it, and I usually win, and it wouldn't be fair.
And I'm gonna puke.
So you guys are gonna comment. Well, you should comment, and then tell us who won. Then we'll make another video of gloating, and then a dare.
And tell me not to puke.
Don't puke. It'll be awesome. So, okay.